What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Shisha Addict here, and I'm back again with another reaction. And today I'm going to be reacting to Tupac, Hail Mary. Now I reacted to a song a few days ago by Eminem and 50 Cent, and I think Calm Down. And you guys told me apparently this is the original song, so kind of Eminem kind of used the beat, and then it was a diss to Ja Rule, if I'm not mistaken. So of course I'm going to check out the original one. So thank you so much guys for requesting this one. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's keep going. I'm going to keep giving you more content. If you do have any songs that you want me to react to, then drop in the comment section down below. So without further ado, let's smoke this shisha and get to this video.
Machiavellian is Illuminati all through your body. The blows like a 12-gauge shot. Feel me? And God said he should send his one begotten son to lead the wild into the ways of the man. Follow me. Eat my flesh, flesh of my flesh. Come with me. Hail Mary, run quick, see. What do we have here now? I ain't a killer, but don't push me. Revenge is like the sweetest joy next to getting pussy. Picture paragraphs unloaded, wise words being quoted. Beat the weakness in the rap game and sold it. Bow down, pray to God, hoping.
I like that. Peep the weakness in the rap game, then sold it. Damn. Okay. I like the way you started it though. I ain't a killer, but don't push me. Revenge is like the sweetest joy next to getting pussy. Okay, Tupac. I hear you. Let's go.
I ain't a killer, but don't push me. Revenge is like the sweetest joy next to getting pussy. Picture paragraphs unloaded, wise words being quoted. Beat the weakness in the rap game and sold it. Bow down, pray to God, hoping that he's listening. Seeing niggas coming for me, my diamonds when they glistening. Now pay attention, best man, peace, father. I'm a ghost, this killing feels. Hail Mary, catch me if I go. Let's go deep inside the solitary mind of a madman. Screams in the dark, evil lurks, enemies see me flee. Activate my hate, let it break till I'm flaming. Set trip, empty out my clip, never stop to aim. Some say the game is all corrupted, fucked in this shit. Stuck, niggas is lucky if we bust out this shit. Plus, mama told me never stop until I bust a nut. Fuck the world and they can't adjust. It's just as well, Hail Mary with me.
I like that one. Mama told me never stop until I bust a nut. Fuck the world if they can't adjust. Obviously, when you fuck the world, when you fuck something, when you fuck a girl, have sex with a girl, you bust a nut. So his mom told him just keep fucking up the world basically until you get what you want. Okay.
Lucky if we bust out this shit. Plus, mama told me never stop until I bust a nut. Fuck the world and they can't adjust. It's just as well, Hail Mary with me. Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride or die? La 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 la. Come with me. Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride or die? Penitentiaries is packed with promise makers. Never realized the precious time that bitch niggas is wasting. Institutionalized, I live my life a product made to crumble. Was too hardened for a smile, way too crazy to be humble. We ballin', catch me father please, cause I'm falling. In the liquor store, that's the Hennessy I hear calling. Can I get some more? Hell till I reach hell, I ain't scared. Mama checking in my bedroom, I ain't there. I got a head with no screws in it. What can I do? One life to live, but I got nothing to lose. Just me and you on a one-way trip to prison, selling drugs. We all wrapped up in this living like the studs to my homeboys and Clinton.
Damn, fucking hell. I like the way he paints picture for you, man. Like, you know, hell to the rich, how I ain't scared. Mama checking in my bedroom, I ain't there. I got a head with no screws in it. What can I do? So just telling you the fact that, you know, he grew up, you know, he wasn't really, he never had a father figure. So like he basically learned how to live by, you know, what the fuck is going on around him. So you can say he's, you know, his head is, you know, he's got screws loose in his head. One life to live, but I got nothing to lose. Just me and you on a one-way trip to prison selling drugs. Damn.
but I got nothing to lose, just me and you. On a one-way trip to prison, selling drugs, we all wrapped up in this living like the studs. To my homeboys and Click Max, doing they bid, raise hell to this real shit, and feel this when they turn out the lights. I'll be there in the dark, love it eternal through my heart. Now Hail Mary, nigga, come with me. Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride or die? La da 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 da. Come with me. Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride or die? La da 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 da.
They got an APB out on my thug family. Since outlaws run these streets like these scandalous freaks. Our enemies down now, walking around half dead, head down. K blasted off a Hennessy and tie. Tronic mixed it, now I'm twisted, blistered and high. Visions of me, thug living, getting me by. Forever live, and I multiply, survive by thugs. When I die, they won't cry unless they coming with slugs. Peep the whole scene and whatever's going on around me. Brain kinda cloudy, smoked out, feeling rowdy, ready to wet the party up. And whoever in that motherfucker, nasty new street slugger, my heat seat suckers on the regular, mashing in a stolen black act, Integra cock.
Nasty new street slugger, my heat seek suckers on the regular, mashing in a stolen black AC. Fucking hell, that gangster talk, the way he's describing the life in the hood for you right there.
Slugger, my heat seat suckers on the regular, mashing in a stolen black act, Integra cock back, 60 seconds to the draw, that's when I'm dead in your feet first. You got a nice gap, but my heat swerves. From a thug to preaching church, I gave you love, now you eating dirt, needing work. And I ain't the nigga to put you on, cause word is born. When I was broke, I had to hustle till dawn, that's when the sun came up. It's only one way up, hold your head, stay up. To all my niggas, get your pay and wait up. If it's on, then it's on. We wait.
I like the way he just put that rhyme. See, that's when the sun came up. There's only one way up. Hold your head and stay up. To all my niggas, get your pay and way up. Like the thing is that, you know, even when these guys are rapping, you know, you can just hear. I mean, Tupac, I like the way the features he has. I think this is not the second time he's having a song with these outlaws. It's like they have almost the same perspective on life as him. And they probably, maybe they grew up together or they grew up in the hood as well. But the way they talk, you know, you can just see, like, it's almost like if Tupac was to spit this verse, you know, it wouldn't be that much different.
When I was broke, I had to hustle till dawn, that's when the sun came up. It's only one way up, hold your head, stay up. To all my niggas, get your pay and wait up. If it's on, then it's on. We break beat breaks, outlaws on the paper chase. Can you relate to the shit I don't got? Be the shit I gotta take. Dealing with fate, hoping God don't close the gate. If it's on, then it's on. We break beat breaks, outlaws on the paper chase. Can you relate to the shit I don't?
Dealing with fate, hoping God don't close the gate. Damn. If it's on, then it's on. We break beat breaks, outlaws on the paper chase. Can you relate?
Dealing with fate, hoping God don't close the gate. If it's on, then it's on. We break beat breaks, outlaws on the paper chase. Can you relate to the shit I don't got? Be the shit I gotta take. Dealing with fate, hoping God don't close the gate.
Come with me.
We've been traveling on this weary road. Sometimes life can be a heavy load, but we riding like a bullet. Hail Mary, Hail Mary. We won't worry, everything will worry. We're free like a bird in the tree. We won't worry, everything will curry. Yes, we're free like a bird in the tree. We're running from the penitentiary. This is the time for we liberty. Hail Mary, Hail Mary.
Hail Mary, nigga, run quick, see. What do we have here now? Do you wanna ride or die? La 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 la. Westside, Outlaws, Machiavelli the Dawn, Solo, Illuminati, the 7 days.
Damn. Fucking hell. That was really dope. Actually, it's hard to kind of compare with the one Eminem did, because Eminem just used it as a diss record. This wasn't a diss record. I don't think it was. It doesn't sound like a diss record anyway. But I really enjoyed it. Yeah, shout out to Tupac, man. Shout out to Outlaws. I think this is the second time I'm reacting to a collaboration between these two. And like I say, man, it's just the substance that they give you. It's just incredible. Like, you can sit here listen to a song like this and you're gonna take a lot from it. Yeah, anyway, thank you so much guys for requesting this one. I really enjoyed it. I'm gonna move on to my next reaction, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys. Peace.